What's the meaning of arrogantly? Arrogantly. Arrogantly.
Arrogantly. Arrogantly. Arrogantly means behaving in a way that shows great pride in oneself and a disregard for others. It is a negative trait that can lead to conflicts and alienation. People who act arrogantly may come across as rude, condescending, or dismissive of others' thoughts and feelings. They tend to overestimate their own abilities and belittle those of others. This can lead to a lack of trust and respect from colleagues, friends, or family members. In general, arrogance is not a desirable quality and can have negative consequences on one's personal and professional relationships.